When it comes down to the Kikoff account, their $750 account, yes, you will have to pay a fee, which would be like $5 per month. The point of Kikoff was this originally, you guys. You just wanted a company to report to the credit bureau so that they can increase your credit score by them reporting. You did not care about any of the stuff because at first they didn't charge people for it. They made it where you can just buy an ebook and they actually loaned you the money to buy the ebook. And then you just went in there and act like you paid $1 per month and it reported to the credit bureaus. And a lot of people got their credit score up so high by doing that. But then they started wanting to make money and stuff off of it. So now they charge you for this. So now you're paying $5 per month for this company to report to the credit bureaus for you. Not all three, TransUnion, not TransUnion, but Equifax and Experian, but that's it. But that's all you want them to report to the credit bureaus because that's how you guys are going to increase your credit score. A lot of people, y'all think too hard when it come down to this Kikoff account, you guys. Like, don't think too hard about this Kikoff account. Let me show you what I mean. So when Kikoff first came out, you guys, this where is that account? Do they even have it on here? Yeah, so this is the Kikoff loan. This was the original account that they had. So let's see loan details. So they loaned me $12. I couldn't touch that money, right? I couldn't touch that. And this is back in 2020, y'all. Oh, look, y'all. That was like late too. Y'all see that red? That was late, but not too late, I guess, because they didn't report it late to the credit bureaus. But with this one, they loaned the $12, and then every month I had to come in here manually pay $1 because you couldn't set up on auto pay. Their thing was you had to come in here manually press $1, pay $1, pay $1, pay $1, and you did that for 12 months, and then they reported to the credit bureaus that you were paying every month. Okay, that's what they were doing, and then you still had that same website, the store. So here is the new account right here. Mine was $500. Now they up to $750. But then I heard somebody had a $2,500 account and they paying like $20 a month. I think they're gonna go higher and higher and higher. I just don't think that's worth it. So they keep going higher, higher, and higher. If you guys go and look at the Kikoff store, these ebooks that you see, at first they was $10, 15, $16, $20, but now they have it where it's like literally $5 per month. Like, look right here. I literally was paying $2 per month, but now when I go ahead and get another, like if I go ahead and choose another account, I think I'm gonna have to pay more than $2 per month. I think I'm gonna have to pay $2 per month, and I'm not going to do it. It's because they're going up and up and up. But they report that $500 accounts to my Equifax and my Experian credit report, and that's fine. So literally you paying $422 per month for them to report to the credit bureaus. I do think that you should have them report for 12 months, but if you guys were to like pick something like this, y'all utilization would be at 10%, and that's not where I want you guys to keep your utilization. I want it 5% or below. So go ahead and get one that's like 2 or 3 months. Like this one right here is going to report for 2 months utilization at 3%. That's good. And estimated payment is $5 per month. So that is good. But you want to go ahead and have them report to the credit bureaus. Once you guys increase your credit score a lot, I'll say when you guys get to the point where you can get approved for the house, car, or whatever loan you want, because to me, that's what you guys should be doing with that. You guys should keep that Kikoff account till you get the credit card you want, till you get the house that you want, till you get the car that you want. Then you can just stop paying on it because you don't care if they report anymore. And then as they start reporting, your credit score should go up, and then you can get those credit cards that you want. You can get those higher limit credit cards. You can just get credit cards where you don't have to get that Kikoff account. But yes, you have to pay on it right now because that's just what it is. Like, that's just what it is. You want the report to the credit bureau, so you have to pay on it.